Hey guys, it's John V here with PhoneArena, and this is a quick hands-on look at the Fossil Sport Smartwatch. It's actually one of the first to launch with the brand new Snapdragon Wear 3100 chipset that was announced not too long ago, but even more intriguing is the fact that it only costs $255. So the first thing that really strikes me is its charming design. It has this mixture of sporty and a conventional look. It's constructed out of a combination of nylon and aluminum, which is nice because it makes it lightweight, but on the downside, it doesn't have a premium construction, but then again, its price point kind of reflects that. Now you can definitely tell that has a sporty emphasis with design because there are a bunch of different brightly colored bands you could choose from to pair with the Fossil Sport Smartwatch. Over to the right, we have 3 buttons, 2 buttons that can be programmable, and the middle button's actually the crown. So it's nice because you could use that as an alternative way to navigate through the interface, which is running the latest version of Wear OS. And that's nice because the screen is a little bit on the tiny side. It's a 1.2-inch AMOLED display. Even though it's on the smaller side, I still find that it's more than usable when it comes to reading stuff. And being AMOLED, it has some of those qualities you'd expect. So you have that deep black color, you have rich colors, and you have wide viewing angles. Now it's available in both a 41mm and 43mm casing option, and they both have the same 1.2-inch display, but we prefer the 41mm version because it has skinnier bezels around the display. What's more amazing is that this Wear OS smartwatch is leveraging the new Snapdragon Wear 3100 chipset. It's one of the first, and so far from what I saw, it's running pretty fast, it's responsive. But of course, the true worth of this chipset is going to be the enhanced battery life that's supposedly supposed to get with that ultra low power coprocessor that we're told that it could get up to 2 days of battery life in this mode. Besides that, there's an emphasis on workouts and staying fit, as it should because it is a sporty styled smartwatch and it's accompanied with all the hardware you'd expect. So you'll find an accelerometer, a gyroscope, a heart rate sensor, there's an altimeter, and even GPS. And when you look at the entire package combined with its $255 cost, there's no arguing that this is an attractive offering. So if you guys want to learn more about the Fossil Sport Smartwatch, you can check out our website, phonearena.com. This is John V, signing off.